Hola.
Hola.
Hey. We them boys. Hola, hola, hola. Make some noise, hola.
¿Qué pasa, hermano?
Yeah. Mi hermano, mi hermana.
Hey.
Hey, welcome to Intramuros.
Welcome.
Yeah. They came from Spain.
We came from Spain.
Yeah, vámonos. Viva, viva, Español.
Viva España.
Watch, come. Look.
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 Te vas a hacer daño.
Oh!
Hey.
Oh! Yeah, sir, you're soccer player, soccer?
Soccer player.
Yeah, you have genes of this gymnastics.
Gymnastics.
By the way, my friend, my classmate during elementary is gold medalist.
Oh.
Carlos Yulo. Ivan Cruz, one of the famous gymnastics in the Philippines.
Wow.
Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am, sir, to give us opportunity. I can speak Chinese too. Ni hao. Ni hao ma.
我很好，
呀
你好吗？
漂亮。
啊，
漂亮。
漂亮。
呀
Thank you.
谢谢。
谢谢。
So yun, nag-decide sila pumasok sa loob ng dungeons, yung tunnel dun sa loob ng Port Santiago. Yan, watch your head, sir. Filipino size lang yan. Kailangan parang sundalo kayo gumapang. Yan, so successful na. Pasok na sila. So kailangan na natin ipaliwanag ang history na nangyari dyan sa loob ng panahon ng gera. Let's go! I hope you enjoy our tour.
It was great.
Thank you for the opportunity. What you gonna say, ma'am, for the people out there?
Try the tour. Enjoy it.
These are the best guys in Intramuros.
Tour is once in a lifetime. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Vamos.
Vamos.